Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as usual, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 5 minutes or stay here through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Michelle. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. So, Today we will explore the root chakra in a bit more detail. In day one of our chakra practice, I mentioned that the 7 main chakras in the yogic tradition correspond to our endocrine system in the Western medical tradition. So by balancing the chakras, we actually create balance in our endocrine system. And this happens in every yoga class, by the way, whether you focus your attention on this fact or not. This is why we feel so good, so kind of after each yoga class. For those of you who enjoy essential oils, I'd like to mention that the oils that are good for balancing the root chakra are patchouli, cedarwood, myrrh, or whatever you feel as something that gives you this grounding, calming sensation. The first chakra is called Muladhara and corresponds to the adrenal glands in our endocrine system. It represents the survival instinct. When our survival is threatened, the adrenal glands, located right above each kidney, flood the body with adrenaline and cortisol to prepare for flight or fight. If one is perpetually locked into this flight or fight response through high levels of stress or continuing trauma, it is possible for the adrenal glands to become completely imbalanced. So let's explore balancing the root chakra. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in. Perhaps you want to close your eyes, maybe scan your body, notice how you're feeling physically, emotionally, mentally. Bring your awareness to your breath without trying to change anything about it. Simply notice the rise and fall of the chest, your belly, the natural rhythm of breathing. And for the next few moments, simply sit with your breath. Don't try to control it, just observe. Let yourself root down through your sits bones if you're sitting on the floor, or your feet if you're in the chair. Or if you're lying down, just feel the back of your body grounding. If you want to, you can also add a hand gesture called mudra to this practice. The mudra corresponding to the root chakra is called Gayan Mudra, or wisdom, knowledge mudra. And you create it by lightly touching your thumb and your index finger together, creating a little circle. Bring your attention to the area at the base of your spine. Imagine that a tiny ball of red energy is spinning in this point. Maybe you can see it as a red pin of light. On your next breath, breathe into this red pin at the base of your spine and allow it to grow into the size of a marble. With your next breath, expand this light so that it envelopes your lower body. Now let this red energy of your root chakra swirl in a circular motion around your entire body. let this ruby red light to surround you for the next few moments. As you continue with this visual, tune into my words as I recite some common root chakra affirmations for you. You can repeat them after me silently or out loud, or simply listen and notice what resonates best. And maybe some of them you can keep as your own affirmations for your future root chakra meditations. I am connected to my body. I always feel protected and guided. I am a gift to this world. I feel safe and secure. I choose to be healthy. Life flows gracefully and easily through me. I love being here. Life loves me. I am free from any and all generational patterns that have kept me stuck. I am free to create differently than my family. I am anchored in the light. I belong. I have the right to be here. I have all that I need. I have enough time, money, and energy to accomplish whatever I want. I am worthy. I choose to be well in body, mind, and spirit. All is well in my world. The red light of your root chakra still surrounds your entire body. Allow your body to absorb this energy and feel grounded, safe, calm, and secure. Feel your connection to the earth. Feel the support of the earth. You're grounded and centered. You belong right here in this space. You belong right now in this moment. Trusting life, knowing that all your needs are met. You feel supported by the universe itself and by all those around you. Bring your awareness back to your breath without trying to change it, simply tuning into the natural rhythm of your breathing. And for the next few moments, repeat silently or out loud the root chakra bija sound, LAM, L-A-M, repeated 7 times. LAM, 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 LAM. Scan your body once again. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? As you go through your day today, notice whenever you stop feeling grounded and see if you can bring your attention in those moments to your root chakra, perhaps visualizing this red pin of light growing to surround your whole body. And perhaps that will give you a sense of safety and security, a feeling of being grounded and supported by the earth. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.